2, 3. What's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some cool ELO, Evil Woman. Okay, cool. So, not too hard. We don't have any bar chords. That's great. We have A minor. Let's go. A minor. Song is in A minor. 1, 2, 3. We got E minor. 1, 2. You got D minor. 1, 2, 3. And that's all the chords for the verses. And then and also the chorus. End of the chorus, we got an F. 1, 2, 3, 4. G major. 1, 2, 3, and C major. 1, 2, 3. And then we have the melody. Let's learn that when we get to it. Okay, so the switching is also we got that intro, but let's do that last. Intro last. A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, E, D. Difference here between those two times is first time we go from D E, and second time we do E E. After they sing Evil Woman, that part, they go to F, 2, so 1, 2, G, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, F, G, C, and then we have a that melody is 3 on the A string, 2 on the D string, 5 on the D string. If you can get a slap in there too in between, it's good. Slap is hard to explain. You kind of have to figure it out and listen. A, it's always a pusher on the D. push on E2. And then we have the intro. C major when they go to F major to F sharp diminished. That's 4-3, 4-3 starting on the D string. And back to C. And then it goes the whole song. What a beauty. That's real good songwriting right there. Okay, thanks folks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more awesome hits. Be safe. Thank you.